So next I would like to look at some reggae strumming patterns. So first of all, I'd like to mention the chords that we'll be using for this example. The chords will be C, G, A minor and F. And the first example that I will give you will be the basic example, and then the second example we're going to add in a little bit more. But let's start off with what we're going to be doing. We're going to be strumming twice on each chord and on beats 2 and 4. So to give you an example, that will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'll play that through one last time. Keep in mind that we're playing on beats 2 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. After that, we're going to now slightly change it up, and now on beat 2, instead of just a down, we're going to play a down up. And then on beat 4, we're just going to play a down as we did before. So that will sound like this. 1, 2 and 3, 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 1, 2 and 3. That is 2 different examples of how you can play over a reggae song.